Are you hung up on what to name your personal chef biz? This video is super helpful because you're going to learn how to quickly and confidently pick a name so you can move on to the fun stuff, the cooking. Now, lots of times, home cooks who wish they could become chefs and get paid to cook daydream about what to name their business, which is part of pillar number 1 in the Personal Chef Starter course. And that's exactly where their business stays, in their dreams. Now that might be exactly where you are now, but have no fear. We're gonna get your name dialed in now so you can take the next step. First, think of the main thing you want your name to focus on. Is it your niche, like vegan? What's the important value in your business? Health, gourmet, family, time? How about some adjectives like dashing, dazzling, splendid, lucky, zesty, appetizing, divine, delightful, delectable, delicious? Second, are different styles of naming to consider. There's alliteration, Sevilla's Savory Solutions. Descriptive, Elegant Eats Personal Chef Service. Personal, Chef Amanda. Punny, Family Time Chef. And again, niche, Plant Love Personal Chef. Finally, you need to do a solid evaluation. Does it sound good? Look good, like on your website? Easy to read and pronounce? Is it easy to tell someone else and easy for them to understand? Is the domain name available and social media handles? So if the answers are all or mostly yes, then hey, you just decided on a great business name. You may have been thinking about this for a long time. You might even get stuck on this and not be able to move forward. Well, here's some hard-earned advice I'm going to share with you. I want you to hear it. Let it soak in and then move forward. You may feel like the world turns on your choice of a business name, but it doesn't. 9 times out of 10, clients won't remember you have a business name. They'll know your name. After a while, you might even get tired of your name or change your niche and change it. Do not spend more than 1 week contemplating your business name. Even if you legally become an LLC, you can file a DBA and work under a different name later. So use these 3 tips to come up with a name you love now so you can move forward with getting paid to do what you love and your dream of becoming a chef. Because I'm telling you, the clients are out there and they are hungry for what you're cooking.